10 collagen-boosting vegetables you must eat for your skin and bone. After the age of 60, your body starts producing less collagen, and that's why your skin wrinkles, your joints get weaker, and wounds take longer to heal. But did you know, some of the most common vegetables can actually help your body restart collagen production completely naturally. In this video, I'm ranking the top 10 vegetables that support collagen production in older adults, based on key factors like micronutrient content, anti-inflammatory power, impact on digestion in seniors, and overall health benefits. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest nutrition rankings for healthy aging. Kicking off today's list is a familiar face, carrots. Open any American fridge, and chances are you'll find a few carrots just lying there, waiting to be boiled, stir-fried, or forgotten. But here's the deal. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient that helps your skin regenerate faster, grow thicker, and wrinkle less as you age. According to the NIH and the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, vitamin A can even slow down collagen loss in older adults. And here's the catch, carrots don't actually create new collagen. They're more like the gatekeeper. They don't build the house, but they help keep your knee from falling down. So on today's ranking, carrots land in tier C. Next up, and this time, we've got a real superstar, broccoli. You know how people always say, eat your broccoli? Well, this time, they're actually right. According to the National Institutes of Health, this veggie packs a surprisingly high dose of vitamin C, almost as much as an orange. And as you probably know, without vitamin C, your body literally can't make collagen. But wait, there's more. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound that protects your collagen fibers from being destroyed by free radicals, according to a study published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity. So it helps you build new collagen and protects the old one. It's easy to digest, doesn't cause gut inflammation. No wonder your skin's so bright and your bones are so strong. With all these benefits, it's no surprise that broccoli goes straight into tier A. Up next, a veggie with a strong smell, but some even stronger benefits: onions. Now maybe you're not a fan of chopping onions because every time you do, you end up crying like a baby. But here's the twist. The very thing that makes you tear up is secretly helping protect your collagen. According to reports from the NIH, onions are packed with sulfur, a mineral that's essential for making the amino acids your body needs to build collagen. Sounds pretty promising, right? But there's one catch. Onions don't boost collagen production as strongly as vitamin C does. And for people with sensitive stomachs, eating them raw might cause irritation. Now you know, the one make you cry also make you become more stronger from inside. Onions comfortably sit in tier C, like carrots. Cucumber, next up, is a crowd favorite, especially among the ladies. You know what I mean, right? They're loved for their high water content and hyped up as a skincare miracle. But here's what most people don't know. Cucumber peels contain natural silica, a mineral that helps link collagen and elastin in your skin tissue, according to the National Library of Medicine. It's make your bones density more and more strong. Sounds great, right? But here's the truth. The amount of silica in cucumbers is actually pretty low. So yes, cucumbers can cool your skin and give it a light hydration boost. But if you're hoping it'll rebuild your skin structure, yeah, not gonna happen. That's why cucumbers land in tier D on this list. If there's one veggie that helps preserve collagen and gives you bad breath, it's garlic. According to the NIH, garlic is rich in natural sulfur, a key ingredient your body needs to create amino acids like taurine and methionine. Both are structural building blocks of collagen. Garlic also contains allicin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps protect collagen fibers from free radical damage, as shown in research from the Journal of Medicinal Food. See, sometimes it's not too hard to make your skin and bones more bright and stronger, right? But here's the catch. A lot of those beneficial compounds get destroyed when you cook garlic. So while garlic's got some real benefits, it's more like Robin to collagen's Batman helpful, but not the hero of the story. That's why garlic earns a spot in tier C. Kale. According to the NIH, kale is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, beta-carotene, and powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, all of which help protect collagen fibers from sun damage and free radicals. A research summary on Healthline even called kale one of the best foods for slowing down skin aging. What's more, the vitamin C in kale doesn't just help your body make collagen, it also helps stabilize your skin's structure and boost elasticity, which becomes really important after age 60. Put simply, if you're looking for something that boosts collagen, fights aging, and cooks up easily, from those vitamins from A to K, we can have a brighter skin for your face, also have a bones frame that can make you stay strong for the rest of your life. Kale deserves its spot in tier A, no arguments there. Sweet potatoes. All right, here's a food that's great for weight loss and almost never causes harm. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, and just like with carrots, your body converts that into vitamin A, which helps thicken your skin's outer layer, speeds up skin regeneration, and protects it from sun damage. According to data from the NIH, vitamin A can slow down the loss of collagen as your body ages. Plus, sweet potatoes also contain vitamin E, a fantastic antioxidant, according to Healthline, that keeps your skin hydrated, strong, and helps protect your existing collagen network. Rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C, sweet potatoes help protect aging skin and support collagen production. They also fight inflammation, keeping your joints moving and your glow alive. So for all that, I'm placing sweet potatoes in tier B. Bell peppers. According to the NIH, bell peppers are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C out there. And you already know, vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who get enough vitamin C daily have thicker, stronger skin, fewer wrinkles, and a significantly slower rate of collagen breakdown. And there's more. Bell peppers also contain a mild form of capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that help protect joints and connective tissues, a big plus for older adults. Loaded with vitamin C, bell peppers boost collagen and keep skin firm. They also help reduce joint inflammation, crisp, colorful, and great for aging strong. With all these benefits, bell peppers earn a well-deserved spot in tier A. Spinach. If you ever watch Popeye, you know the drill. Eat spinach, get strong. But the truth is, it actually helps your skin and bones get strong first. According to the NIH, spinach is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, and folate, all essential for skin cell regeneration and supporting your body's natural collagen production. A piece from Healthline explains that vitamin C in spinach helps activate the enzymes that build collagen, while magnesium and folate work to stabilize connective tissue, especially important for older adults who heal more slowly. Now, one thing to note, spinach also contains oxalates, which, if eaten raw in large amounts, can reduce calcium absorption. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin K, spinach helps protect your bones and fight skin aging from within. A leafy green that keeps you steady and glowing. So for seniors, it's best to lightly cook spinach to get all the benefits without the bloating. With its clear but not over-the-top effects, I'm placing spinach in tier B. And now the final contender on today's list, cauliflower. This veggie often gets confused with its green cousin broccoli. But according to the NIH, cauliflower still delivers vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and a small amount of choline, all of which help maintain the structure of your connective tissue and support cell repair. A write-up from Healthline adds that while cauliflower doesn't have sulforaphane like broccoli, it does contain glucosinolates, a mild antioxidant that may help reduce chronic inflammation. That said, the amount of collagen-related compounds in cauliflower is pretty low, not strong enough to trigger meaningful collagen production. It's kind of like a cute supporting character in a movie, won't ruin the plot, but won't save the hero either. Gives you vitamin C to support light collagen repair, helping skin stay smooth. Also offers a touch of vitamin K, which quietly supports bone strength as you age. That's why cauliflower falls into tier D. And that's a wrap. So what do you think about today's veggie ranking? How many of these do you already eat? Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more helpful videos like this. Eat well, stay active, and take care of yourself.